हॅलो फ्रेंड्स, गुड मॉर्निंग. स्टडी फ्रॉम होम अंतर्गत आपण व्हॉट्सअप ग्रुपच्या माध्यमातून दररोज एक विषय आपण अभ्यासतात. आज मॅथ्स पार्ट टूमध्ये आज आपल्याला सर्वात सोपं आणि तुम्हाला घरी बसून सोडवता येईल असे उदाहरण असलेले सोपं टॉपिक मी निवडलेलं आहे. टॉपिकचं नाव आहे कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्री. आपण या कोऑर्डिनेट जॉमेट्रीमध्ये पहिल्यांदा डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला, सेक्शन फॉर्म्युला, त्याच्यानंतर स्लोप ऑफ दी लाईन हे बघणार आहोत. पण आजच्या लेक्चरमध्ये आपण फक्त डिस्टन्स फॉर्म्युला याच्याबद्दल अभ्यासणार आहोत. फ्रेंड्स, in last year 9th standard we study about the number line or coordinate geometry. In coordinate geometry in last year we study the plane, axis, origin, quadrant, first quadrant to fourth quadrant, and number line, how to find the distance between the on the number line. See again, here number line, there are some points in number line -5 to +5, and also there are some points on number line. Suppose first one is O, P, Q and R. Everyone has known as the coordinates of the given points. First one, what is the coordinates of the point P? Coordinates of point P is -1, coordinates of point Q is -5, and coordinates of the points R plus coordinates of the point R is +4. We have to find the distance between any two points by observation method. Suppose we have to find the distance between P and Q. Here P is here and Q is here. How many numbers are in P and Q? Let's the count. First one, P to Q, 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 points on the line between the points P and Q. Hence the distance between PQ is +4. This is the observation method, and we see the by formula method. Formula is x2 minus x1. Distance between any two point is x2 minus x1, where x2 is greater than x1. That means x2 is larger than x1. Here now P is larger, that means -1 is larger than -5. See another example. Suppose we have to find the distance between Q R by observation method. From point Q to point R, how many points? Let's count the from Q to R. Let's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. There are 9 points in between Q and R. Hence answer is 9. And by using the formula, distance between the 2 points are formula is x2 minus x1, where x2 is greater than x1. By this formula method we find the distance between PQ. Now here coordinates of point P is -1 and coordinates of point Q is -5. In these 2 points, larger number is -1 and smaller number is -5. Then we find the difference between P and Q. That means -1 and -5 is equal to -1 plus 5. That means 4. And again we have to find the distance between Q R. Here coordinates of Q are -5 and coordinates of R is +4. In this number, 4 is a larger number and -5 is small number. We can find difference between 4 and -5. That means 4 minus again -5 is equal to minus get plus is equal to 4 plus 5 is equal to 9. In this method we studied in last year. Now in 10th standard we study the distance formula. Distance formula, consider suppose any 2 points. First point is P, x1 y1, and second point is Q, x2 y2. Suppose any points P is x1 y1 and Q is x2 y2. That means x1 y1 is the coordinates of point P and x2 y2 is the coordinates of the point Q in any xy plane. Then the distance between any 2 points PQ. Distance between any 2 points PQ is in square root x2 minus x1 bracket square plus y2 minus y1 bracket square. Using this formula we can find the distance between any 2 points. Suppose consider the first example. Here first example is find the distance between the points P minus 1 1 and Q 5 minus 7. That means the coordinates of point P is 1 1 minus 1 and coordinates of point Q is 5 minus 7. In this solving example, first suppose any coordinates. Suppose the coordinates of point P are x1 y1 and coordinates of point Q are x2 y2. That means x1 is equal to minus 1 and y1 is equal to plus 1. And also similarly x2 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to minus 7. Like one, x1 is equal to minus 1 and y1 is equal to 1. That means minus 1 and 1. And y2 is equal to and again x2 is equal to 5 and y2 is equal to minus 7. That means first point is x2 and second point is y2. And we find the distance between the 2 points P and Q according to distance formula. Distance formula is distance between PQ. D means distance between PQ is equal to in square root x2 minus x1 bracket square y2 minus y1 bracket square. Now here we put the values of x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. Now here values of x2 is 5, again minus, and x1 is minus 1. That means minus and bracket minus 1 bracket square. And next one, put the values of y2 minus y1. Values of y2 is minus 7 and values of y1 is plus 1. We put the values of y2 minus y1. Minus 7, again minus 1 bracket square. And we calculate this simple. 5 minus again get plus. That means 6 bracket square, and minus 7 and minus 1, that means minus 8 bracket square. And 6 square is 36 and minus 8 square is plus 64, because square of any negative number is positive. Adding these two numbers, 36 plus 64 is equal to in square root 100, and we have to find the square root of 100. Square root of 100 is 10. Hence the answer, distance between any 2 point P and Q is 10. In this way we see the another example. Suppose coordinates of point P. Suppose coordinates of point P is x minus 5 and 7, and coordinates of Q is 3 minus 1 and 3. We can get solution. First one, suppose coordinates means any points. Suppose coordinates of point P are x1 y1 and coordinates of point Q are x2 y2. That means first point is x1 means minus 5 and y1 means 7, and again x2 means minus 1 and y2 means 3. By using distance formula, we put the values of x2 minus x1 and y2 minus y1. Here x2 means minus 1, again minus, and x1 means minus 5, in bracket again minus 5 bracket square, then plus y2 minus y1, where y2 is 3 and y1 is 7. We put the values of y2 minus y1 here, 3 minus 7, and calculate this example. Minus 1, again minus get plus. That means minus 1 plus 5. That means minus 1 plus 5 is equal to 4, and 4 square is 16. And again 3 minus 7 is minus 4, and minus square is also again 16. And adding these two number, 16 plus 16 is equal to 32, and we cannot find the square root of 32. Then the answer is only root 32, or we can split the 32 into product of 32. That means 16 into 2, and we know the roots of 16 is 4, and square root cannot find. We can write also square root. That means distance between the 2 points P and Q is 4 and root 2. Hence answer is distance between PQ is 4 and root 2. In this way, we solve the example on based of 5.1 question number 1, and also some example are given. We also find the result and send me the answer. If you any doubt, then ask me. Thank you.